Are you interested in making money online in 2023 doing something really fun? Do you want to earn up to $650 per day just by typing names? In this video, I will show you this method, so watch carefully until the end of the video. In this scenario, it is over 10 cents per word typed. For example, if we have 3 pages containing words and each of them is a word, it is important to know that you can also get paid for entire names. Come to the website. Let me introduce you where you can earn $20 for writing 300 words articles. As you scroll down, you will come across 300 names in total. You can earn $20 by entire name on this platform, and you can complete up to 20 pages per day, which means you can earn a significant daily income of $400 or even $600 by typing name on this website. First, we invite you to visit the website talentdesire.com, where you can work online from the comfort of your home without any financial investment. Work from home opportunities include online proofreading, language translation, freelance blogging, and online surveys. However, our focus in this video will be on online typing jobs. Below are simple jobs that require neither prior experience nor technical expertise. This page details online typing jobs with potential annual income from $13,500 and $500 to $27,000 is a great opportunity for people all over the world. It's worth mentioning that registration is completely free and there are no hidden fees. Before and after registering your personal account, you will never be asked for any financial assistance. This opportunity is available globally. Your pay varies based on your skill level from novice to expert. In a moment, we will introduce an additional secret tip that can increase your income. Even a beginner has the potential to earn an advanced level, and soon the strategy shares with your keeps it exclusively for your knowledge. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. Now we are about to introduce the first bonus tip that can significantly increase your earning rate. Logging your starting point online name ratetype.com is the main hub of this website, where you can join to start a free typing test. Click on the highlighted yellow icon. Your mobile device or PC will earn you a certificate by completing this exam. We highly recommend that you go through the process of getting a typing certificate because it can increase your earnings per page, and here is why you can earn, for example, $20 per typed page of a certificate. Here's a must-have hidden gem, a certification that validates your typing skill can open doors faster, leading to higher paying assessments and endless career opportunities. As a result, you can potentially earn up to $400 or even $600 a day simply by entering your name as you start typing on this page, and your rate and accuracy of words per minute will be tracked in real time. So it's very important to be in touch with how exactly you get the certificate and apply it on Talent Desire to maximize your earnings, your accuracy should be between 98% and 99.9%, regardless of spelling or typographical errors. The higher you stand, the more money you can earn in the typing test, and securing a certificate from this website will allow you to showcase your typing speed and accuracy, which can quickly increase your pay rate. And let us walk through the process of quickly completing these tests and getting your certification in less than 5 minutes using a real live example. These are our actual results. Even if your typing speed or accuracy drop below 19, again, take the free typing test again until you improve your results. Scroll down and register for your free account. Create this account quickly. Click the link to create a free account. Then enter the email address of your name and password from the terms and conditions and click on the yellow registration button after registration and log in to your account, where you will see your name on the dashboard aligned with your typing speed to access a page that confirms you have been awarded for your English typing skill. Complete and signed by RegType, this certificate is of considerable value in validation your typing skills and can lead you to higher income. Now, let's continue how to apply and start typing at talentdesire.com. Here we go back to talentdesire.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the red apply button. You will be redirected to a page where the application process will begin. Find the selection section and the application form, then click on the red link to go to the online work from home job application at the bottom of this page. Find the Apply and Work for Us link and enter your personal information by accepting the privacy policy. As the first step, enter your first and last name, email. You will find people from all over the world, including India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and others. Now go to the next step. Fill the job title field exactly, then select the suitable format. You can select any time frame you prefer, but I recommend you to select any time as it provides more opportunities and options to earn money. Pay by PayPal or Payoneer transfer or direct deposit. Select your current status. After entering all the necessary information, select self-employment, click continue, then check the declaration, include your signature box, enter your full name and click on I am not a robot, and finally press the submit button. After accepting, you can start getting typing jobs with the job shown in the picture, earning $20 for just 300 words. Remember, timely submission is the key to guaranteeing consistent daily assignments.